last year was the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, as you know. And, as I said, growing up, when I grew up, I was thinking about that a lot. And I was thinking, okay, 2020, we got a new decade. We need in our industry a 10-year vision and an ambitious vision. So our vision is to, by the end of the decade, invent, build, and commercialize technology to solve our biggest manufacturing problems. And again, building and commercializing that is a critical phase. We can't just design, but we've actually got to have this working. You should be able to go into somebody's manufacturing facility and point to the thing that is delivering value. There are 5 elements of the vision: flexibility to supply an extremely diverse and changing portfolio of products in the face of uncertainty and changing demand; improve control, robustness, and security of supply; much faster product development and supply chain velocity. We were just way, way too slow; sustainable plastic and energy use; and capital and operating costs. We are way too expensive, and that's got to come way down. I'll talk more about that later on. But right now, it's a barrier to increasing capacity to innovation and change, and we've got to remove that barrier. Through all of this, we want to integrate drug substance and drug product expertise from vial of master cell bank to vial of final product.